Hello friends. Today lecture is Tall Jenkins and Java JDK. Hi. So, so this website is Jenkins AWS plus plus www.jenkins.io. Okay. So Jenkins build great things at any scale. Jenkins is a open source automation server, and Jenkins provides 100 and 1000 plus of plugins to support building, deploying, and automating any project. कोई भी प्रोजेक्ट हमको बनाना है ऑटोमेशन बेस या ए डेवऑप्स बेस प्रोजेक्ट एनी बेस ए गिट गिटहब या डोकर क्यूबरनेट्स सो plugin support of Jenkins. Okay. So today is install the Jenkins. So this is documentation and this is download. Click to download, download, and download and deploy. Okay. Jenkins project products to release lines. Jenkins supported the to release of lines. First release is the LTS long-term support and weekly support. Second is the weekly support. So stable LTS long-term support LTS release this line are chosen every 12 weeks from the stream of regular release. Every 4 weeks, we release stably, which are including bugs and security fix backup reports. Okay. And weekly release, this release line delivery bug fix and new feature will lead to user and plugin developer to need to native weekly support. Okay. So stable support is a catalog, upgrade guide, and partially. And weekly support is a change log and partially. Okay. So download Jenkins. Jenkins distributed as bar files, native package, installer, and Docker image. Follow this install setup. This setup follow the install hardware and software requirement and select on the package or the from download instruction. Install Jenkins action user handbook, and you can want to verify the package you download. Learn more. Verify Jenkins download. Okay. So this Jenkins version available in is a long-term support version is a 2.555.3 and download Jenkins weekly support is a 2.570. This is a weekly support. This is a long-term support and a 12-week support. Okay. So this package available in Jenkins. So the Docker, Kubernetes, Ubuntu, Fedora, and Windows, OpenStack, many software available in Jenkins. So I am installed the window package, Windows 11 to package. So click to download long-term support. Okay. So window protect your PC, window protect your PC. So so come to the download window. Wait, 1 minute wait. So this is a Jenkins version is a download. Save as, click to save as and download this package. Download this package. This download and most important of Jenkins installation uh, is able record the package is a Java download package. Java download www.oracle.com Java technology download JDK25 Linux support. So Linux Jenkins support is a JDK 25 and JDK 21 support only. Okay. So Java 26, Java 25, Java 21, and ELA version available now in so JDK 26 is, is the latest release of the Java SE platform. So JDK 26 not supported the Jenkins. This is a new release or latest one. JDK 25 support of the Jenkins. So JDK 25 is a later long-term support LTS. So I am use the long-term support of Jenkins. So JDK 25 later long-term support of LTA release the Java SE platform. And JDK 21 is a previous long-term support LTS release the Java SE platform. Okay. So this version available in JDK 26, 25 and JDK 21. So I am installed the JDK 25. JDK 25 binary are free to use production and free to redistribute at no cost. Okay. So under the Oracle, no fee term at condition NFTC and free available in the SDK 25. So SDK 25 receive update the NFTC until September 2028. Okay. So this JDK 25 available in Oracle sites. So Linux support this JDK 25 and Mac OS support this JDK 25 and Windows support this JDK 25 and Java 5 available in Oracle sites. So I am installed JDK 25 x64 install this package I am installed in the laptop. Okay. So click to download JDK 25 window x64 when XSS 56. Okay. So click the save as the file in the window. Click the save as and download and install this and download this JDK 25 window x64 file. Okay. And next is install JDK 25 window x64. So I am package available in the JDK 25 window x64 when and Jenkins package. JDK 25 window package and Jenkins package available in my window. Okay. So right click to and run the administrator of the JDK 25. So process to the install. Yes. This software already has been installed on your computer. Would you like to reinstall it? So मेरे लैपटॉप में ऑलरेडी इंस्टॉल पड़ा हुआ JDK 25 वाला पैकेज. सो अगर हमको दोबारा से इंस्टॉल करना तो इसको रीइंस्टॉल करना पड़ेगा. यस एंड दोबारा से इंस्टॉल कर लेंगे. सो क्लिक टू यस